Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to convert time from decimal to hours and minute in Excel. We can see to decimal value or number, then convert. Select cells equal to select value, decimal value, then oblique 24, then enter. Go to general, select time format and Control Shift F. Then go to number, select custom and see HMM. HMM with HMM AMPM without HMM. Example, I select HMM with AMPM or double click. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Thank you.